Hello, carpet cleaning world. This is your administrator, Roger Lloyd. And tonight is Saturday night. And I just wanted to go over something because it's December now. Actually, it's December 1st. So we actually only have, what, 30 days, 31 days until the new year. Now, the title of this video is Setting Up a Residential Marketing Calendar. Ladies and gentlemen, most of you are one truck operators that I talk to and that use our services. So I wanted to go over something with you and not let you get caught up. If you're a multi-truck operator, then yes, you do want to have advertisements and things like that with pictures and before and after on Facebook, on your postcards and flyers or whatever else that you're using. But let me tell you something that you may or may not know. If you're going after the high middle class or the high end, they're not interested in those before and after pictures where the before picture is so spotty and the carpet is so soiled that it looks like you need a miracle to clean it, because they would never let their carpets get that way. But if you're attracting the low middle class and the lower end, then yes, those are the pictures that you want and the advertisements that you want. And definitely you want to put a price point. That's how you get those clients. But then you're always playing it by the numbers too. You need so many just to make a difference. But if you're going after the high middle class and the high end, then this is what you want to do. You want to get a mailing list. I would say if you're a one truck operator of about maybe 1,000 to 1,500, depending on what you can afford, but no less than 800. And this mailing list is going to be to homes of 500,000 and up home values in a 10-mile radius. Now, this is for the mom and shop and the small two truck operations, because you want to target these people that care about their carpet. The carpets never get trashed because they understand the value of their home and they're looking for a great carpet cleaner. It doesn't matter if you have a Rotovac, or it doesn't matter if you have a mighty machine. You can just use a standard one. They don't care. They just expect good results. And this is the best part about it. You don't have to have colorful before and after pictures on postcards or flyers or on Facebook. Because if you send the right message out, then they're going to be interested. But this is the other thing. You want to send a message out every month to this target market. So when you buy this list, you'll use it every month. This is the clientele and the 10-mile radius that you want to know your name. You don't care if everyone up and down the street knows your name. This is your target market. And now, this is the part that you may or may not understand. You see this postcard here? You've been selected to receive a free carpet cleaning inspection and a gift of one room up to 200 square feet, value of $74. This is what I'm sending out. And then it says, please call the number today. And then as you see here, it doesn't have a picture of a filthy before and after picture. It has a picture of a very clean, middle-class, high-end home carpet that looks like it's just been hot water extracted and it's very clean. And this is what you need. Now, you also need a mailing machine, like I advertised earlier in the year. And See how it just metered this? This postcard is 35 cents. 35 cents. And I'm sending out 800 of these to my target market. Not on Facebook. Ladies and gentlemen, Facebook is a fad. It's here today, but it's slowly fading out. And then when you do advertise on Facebook, how many of those people you're advertising to are your exact target market? See, this is what I keep trying to tell the newer guys and the millennials and things like that. Yes, Facebook is okay, but it's like everything else. It's hit or miss. See, when you send this out, when you get your right mailing list of 10 miles around your location of $500,000 homes and up, see, they're your target market. That 1,000 or 800 people that I send these cards to every month, not this particular card. I have a different card for every month that I send to them. This is my target market, that 800 homes right around my 10-mile radius. So every time they call, even if it's just 2 rooms, it's about a $200, if not more, job. Now, that's if you're a small mom and pop shop or a one-truck operation. This is what you need. See, let me explain something else. You need small verbiage. See, I don't have a whole lot on here. You know why? Because you ever notice how text blasting and Facebook and Instagram is very powerful? There's short messages that says what it needs to say, and that's it. That's it. And that is what people are interested in. See, that's what I'm saying. When I target these $800,000 homes 800 homes in my area of 500,000 or more, I'm giving them an educated message, not on this postcard, because it's December. So I'm giving them a gift, a free room of 200 square feet with any minimum purchase of 350 square feet or more, because it's December. Now, in January, I'm going to go back to giving them $25 off of carpet cleaning, $15 off of upholstery cleaning for post-holiday cleaning savings. And then it tells them that waiting to the spring to get their carpets clean may be too late. See, it's a direct message. And it's just a postcard with black writing and red headlines. See, that's all you need for the high end or high middle class. Because see, now today, text messaging and short messages are the answer. If they're interested because you put a good message, educational message in it, they will call you. But the trick of it is you want to send to them every month religiously. This is your target market, and it will work. There's no trick. There's no thing for you to say, well, Roger, I'm not getting any calls. Do you have the right target market? Are you sending them the right message? Well, every month, I'm going to show you a sample of what I'm sending out. And then right here behind me is our office phone number. We can set you up on a 35-cent postcard program to your target market of $500,000 homes and up. And you'll be sending this to them every month religiously, and watch how your business, your small carpet cleaning business, turns around, all because you did one thing. Only one thing. And do you know what that is? You're targeting to the right market, and it's not a hit and miss. Every call that comes in is the exact home that you want to target within a 10-mile radius. I'm going to leave you with that tonight. I'm going to keep it very short and very brief. And then I want to see how much you want your business to be successful. Now, once again, if you have multi-trucks and you're not if you don't build value in your company, and you know who you are, I'm not sitting here insulting anyone, because everyone feels as though, well, let me put it this way. If you don't care if you clean filthy carpets or heavily spotted carpets, then yes, you need before and after pictures, and you can place on Facebook, you can pretty much advertise anywhere. But if you're a small mom and pop shop and every dollar matters, then you need to go after the high middle class and the high end, and you need to market to them for 35 cents every month right to them. And then as it starts turning around and you're getting more and more calls, you want to expand that list to maybe 12-mile radius, 15-mile radius, and that's it. The high middle class and the high end should be your focus and your target. So, and then you should charge by the square foot. And that's gospel. That's my gospel. It works. And you won't have to struggle for pennies anymore. Give our office a call. You can see the phone number right behind me, 484-420-7220. And let's help change your life, your business life, that is, today. Thank you, and good night.